What if you could make the same amount of sales, but double or even triple your revenue? That is what happens when you increase your average order value or AOV. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how Shopify brands can do that. My name is Alex Money, and I'm the founder of Convert Sale, where we've helped over 40 Shopify brands sell more product on their stores while reducing their ad spend. Let's dive in now and show how you can scale your brand's revenue by focusing on increasing your average order value. All right, getting into it now. It is snowing outside right now, so that's always nice. When you're trying to increase AOV, that is average order value on your Shopify store, you really need to go beyond basic product offerings. This is not just slapping on a 10 to 30% discount, whether that's a site-wide discount or on one product. This doesn't work as well anymore, and the brands that succeed the most are getting creative with their product offerings and catalogs. You need to start thinking about expanding not just your product lines, but your product offerings. Otherwise, you're leaving yourself exposed to the competition, and it's going to get tougher to increase your market share. There's several great offers you can test and try on Shopify, but here are 3 offer types I want to go over. These are 3 great offers, and they're easy for a lot of brands and a lot of different niches. So that is quantity break offers, bundle offers, and subscription offers. A lot of times when people think of bundles, they're actually referring to quantity break offers. So we're going to get into that real quick. A quantity break offer is where you have multiple options with different quantities of the same product. The more you buy, the more you save, because the higher quantity comes with greater savings and or a bonus. So that's where you see a 1-pack, a 2-pack, 3-pack, or a 1, 3, 5. With every greater quantity, you get greater savings. Always show the savings in a percentage or dollar amount. Next is bundle offers, and there's really 2 main types of bundles. There's your bundles as well as BYOB, which is build your own bundle. BYOB is not bring your own beer, it's build your own bundle. A traditional bundle is a product bundle that's priced in a way that has greater savings compared to each of those products purchased individually. Think of welcome kits, starter packs, bestseller bundles. What you want to do here is bundle up complementary products. You might have the main product and you can bundle some ancillary or secondary products with it. So let's say you have a coffee starter kit. You can have the coffee itself, then you can have a milk frother, then you can have some other pouches, a canister added onto it. Build your own bundle is a type of bundle, but in this case, the customer can choose their own combination of products. This is useful for providing people with customization while also enticing them with price savings. They can pick product 1, product 2, maybe a product 3, and then with each of those, they'll have multiple selectors or variants. You have subscription offers. Subscriptions are a recurring service where customers automatically receive product at regular intervals, often at a discounted rate. The benefit is that customers gain convenience, savings, and a steady supply of their preferred products without needing to reorder manually. And on these product offerings, you can let the users choose how often they want the products, whether that's once a month, once every 2 months, 3 months, once a quarter, as you like. You can do it for whatever makes sense for the user and that product. Now that we've broken those offers down, I'm going to show you some examples and client pages that we did for some of our clients. Starting with Mad Rabbits, we helped them set up a landing page for their aftercare set. It was an aftercare set designed for tattoo care. The offer here was actually a combined offer. It was their bundled offer combined with a quantity break. So the product here is already a bundle, this whole set. Instead of doing a subscription, because they already had that on some parts of their website, we instead decided let's do a quantity break offer. So that's why you see here 30-day supply, 60-day supply, 90-day supply. It's allowing the user to buy in bulk right away and also show them what is most popular, what is the best value, and where can they get the most savings, and just make it a no-brainer offer for them that, hey, you should be buying the 60-day supply instead of the 30-day supply. And always when doing these type of offers, it's important to default to the middle or the most expensive option. So this was an interesting way of combining those offers. All these 3 offers are great to test and try, but even better if you can find ways to combine them. Next is the landing page we did for Wellbell's Black Friday and Cyber Monday campaign. This was our landing page that got a staggering 15% conversion rate. I did another video that was a case study on them. I recommend you check that out as well. For this offer, we did a 40% off for their new subscriptions plus 30% off on one-time orders. And we had the discount code already here that when you click the CTA to shop now and add to cart, the discount gets automatically applied. So if you go down on the page, you'll see we had subscription plus quantity breaks. We were pushing the 3-month supply as well as a 6-month supply. So it's subscribe and save or one-time purchase. And you see for each variant here, it breaks down into further variants. For subscribe and save, we defaulted to the 3-month supply. You could also choose the 1-month supply. We're just gently pushing and nudging users to go for that 3-month supply. And of course, like I mentioned before, you want to show off the savings. So we show off here in percentage, 40% off, as well as showing the dollar amount here with $86.90. Always show off the savings as much as possible. So for here, we have percentage off. And then here, as you go deeper into each variant, you'll see the dollar savings for each selector. And next, we did a landing page for another supplement company, and that was for Sowing Sun. This was just standard quantity break offer. So for here, it's a bit similar to Onnit's offer where it was 1 bottle, 2 bottle, 3 bottles. So we defaulted to 2 bottles here, showing the users that, hey, this is the most popular and the 3 bottles is the best deal, as well as showing you're going to save 10% here. So these are all just easy ways you can increase your AOV and customer lifetime value. Just get more out of your products by building better offers and finding ways to combine those offers as well. I'm going to link this mirror board in the description as well. Make sure you check that out. We have now here examples for each of these offer types I went over above, and just really good examples that you can just look at, you can take inspiration from, you can emulate. And for quantity break, for instance, we have fragrance, socks, creatine, Onnit supplements, gummies as well. For bundles, we have Nanu bread bundle, we have a cookie bundle, Grunts Daily, which is a fantastic bundle. I recommend every Shopify brand owner to go and study Grunts Daily. They are killing it right now, especially in the bundles and offers game. Bloom Nutrition, their starter kit, as well as Huel. This holiday sip box as well from Sips, as well as the easy sampler pack from Fat Milk. Next, we have Build a Bundle, again from Baker Cookies. Huel is the gold standard for Build-A-Bundles. We've got this Build-A-Box, as well as this skincare Build-A-Bundle. So if you're in a niche where you think that a bundle offer might not work, think again. There's always ways you can think creatively and critically to find new offer types that you can test and trial. So if you're a skincare or a makeup brand and you don't think bundles make sense for your Build-A-Bundle, think again, because I'm sure there's ways you can make it work. And of course, subscriptions. We've got Bloom with their subscription right here. The OG Blender Bomb as well. They got a nice subscription offer here. Frankly Good Coffee with their coffee subscription. Mesquite Coffee here. They got a really nice combination of quantity breaks with their bags as well as subscription. And Wellbell, of course, the subscribe and save page we did for them, as well as the Black Friday, Cyber Monday page we did. What are the steps to actually increase AOV? I've broken it down here step by step. Step number 1, look at your current products, catalog, and offerings. Then ask yourself if there are other ways to offer it. Can it be paired with either the same product or any complementary products? If the answer is yes, go to step 2, which is to start crafting that offer. Set up the product in Shopify with any necessary apps such as Kaching bundles, Recharge, Rebuy. If the answer is no, then work on creating new products that can either be paired with your existing products or set up new products that are easier to configure with other expanded offers. Then once you've crafted that new offer, go to step 3, which is design and build a dedicated landing page for this new offer and double check your ad and landing page messaging match. The best way to build that new landing page is by using Replo. Make sure you're building and testing all your new landing pages, your product pages, your home pages on Replo. I am a Replo partner as well, and I'm proud to say that I've been building pages on Replo for the past 2+ years, and we build all of our new landing pages on there. Next, we go to step number 4. Now that you've enhanced your offering and have a dedicated landing page for it, further improve your upsell process by optimizing your cart and checkout process. We've got some examples here, which I recommend you go through. These are some cart optimizations we've done for other brands. These are not my clients, by the way, just as a disclaimer. These are redesigns that I've done. So this beverage brand, for instance, this cart that they've got here, we decided to add an upsell to it to just further optimize it and push users to buy more and increase their AOV. You can see cross-selling in the cart page or slider cart promotes related or complementary products to enhance the customer's purchase. You want to keep a positive tone on the page, reassure customers with trusted payment badges, and you want to streamline the purchase process with quick one-tap checkout for faster conversions. Next, this redesign for the socks brand. You want to also experiment displaying a progress bar to unlock free shipping to encourage those higher purchase values. You want to provide positive feedback here, and you want to cross-sell and upsell as much as possible. Next, you can see for Alex Ice Cream brand, We redesigned it from this to this, adding much more cross sells and upsells in here to just push users to add more flavors, add more ice cream to their cart. Disclaimer again, Alex Ice Cream is not my client. This is just a redesign that we did and wanted to do. Next is this redesign for a skincare brand. We took it from this to this, and here we push users into their loyalty program and show them the benefits and the savings, how much they can get to further increase that AOV and just optimize this cart page a bit more. And last, once you've done all that, making a great landing page, and then optimizing the cart and checkout process. You want to go to step 5 and beyond, test, look at the data, test again, and so forth. You want to improve your email flows, your cart, your products. You want to improve the whole funnel. Look at your Shopify store in a targeted and holistic manner. You want to focus on the entire funnel. It starts from your products and offers. 80 to 90% is all going to come from that offer. And you want to build upon that with better landing pages, better site pages, better cart and checkout flows, better upsells, cross sells. You want to use better post-purchase flows, have post-purchase surveys, analyze the data scrupulously, test again. You want to keep looking at the data and continue to improve from there. This is an ongoing process. CRO, optimizing your funnel, is a continuous process. It's an ongoing journey, and it's incredibly rewarding once you find what works. Thanks guys for watching this. Hope you got a lot of value out of this. I'm going to link this mirror board in the description below. Now you know the strategies and blueprints to increase your AOV. But now how do you bring it all together? What I told you in this video is one very important piece of the puzzle, but it doesn't mean much if you don't have the full strategy to scale. Click on the video up here to learn about the best Shopify strategy for 2025 and all the levers you can pull to truly scale your brand, conversions, and sales. See you guys in there.